Good day. Today we're going to talk about graphing linear equation using x-intercept and y-intercept. Remember, the x and y-intercepts of a line could represent 2 points which are A and 0 and 0 and B. To find the x-intercept A, set y to 0 and solve for x. To find the y-intercept B, set x to 0 and solve for y. Okay, to understand this thing, let's solve this equation. Graph the given equation y equals to 2x plus 1. So using this x and y intercept, we have to first find our y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, first we have to set our x to 0. Set x equals to 0. Then solve the equation. So if x is 0, then y equals to 2 and the value of x is 0, then plus 1. Then this is 2 times 0, this is 0 plus 1. So therefore our y is 1. So the coordinate now for this equation for the y-intercept is 0 for x, 1 for y. Then to find for the x-intercept, we will set y to 0. Using the equation, our y becomes now 0, then 2x plus 1. Okay. To apply the addition property of equality, we will write 2x plus 1 plus opposite of positive 2x is negative 2x. Also here, negative 2x. So, by simplification, this becomes 2x equals to, this will be cancelled out, and this one. So, the remaining is 1. So, applying the multiplication property of equality, we will find the inverse of 2, that is negative 1/2 times negative 2x equals to 1. So therefore, this will become, or this will be cancelled out. The remaining is x. Then this one, we have to multiply this one by 1/2. Okay, negative 1/2. So, negative 1/2 times 1, that is negative 1/2. So, our value when x in x-intercept, when y is equal to 0, that is negative 1/2 for x, then 0 for y. So, we'll plot this one. First, we have this first 0 and 1. 0, this is the part where our graph intersect with the y-axis. Then, second, negative 1/2 and 0. Negative 1/2 and 0. Negative 1/2 for x, then 0 for y. If we're going to connect that one, that will be our graph of that equation. So we will label this one. This is our coordinates 0 and 1. And this one is negative 1/2 and 0. This is our y-intercept. And this is our x-intercept. Okay? That is how to graph an equation using y-intercept and x-intercept. Okay, let's take the second equation. The second equation is 2y equals to 2x plus 4. Okay, let's find the y-intercept. To find the y-intercept, we have to set x to 0. Set x to 0. Then by substitution, we have y equals to 2 times 0 plus 4. So the value of y now is 4. Then our coordinate is 0 for x, 4 for y. Then to find for the x-intercept, you will set y to 0. So from the given equation, y becomes 0, then 2x plus 4. Applying the addition property of equality, this will become 2x plus 4 plus opposite of 2x, that is negative 2x. Also here. So, simplifying it, that is 2x equals to, this will be cancelled out, and this one, then the remaining is 4. Applying the multiplication property of equality, we will multiply this one by its inverse. What's the inverse of 2? That is 1/2. Negative times negative 2x equals to negative 1/2 times 4. Okay, simplify. This will be cancelled out. The remaining is x. This one, negative 1/2 times 4, that is negative 2. Okay. So meaning, our coordinate for this is negative 2 for x, then 0 for y. Okay, we will plot that one in our graph. So, 0 for x, then 4 for y. Here. Then, negative 2 for x, then 0 for y. So, here. So, we will label it. This is negative 2 and 0. This one is our 0, then 4. So as I said, when a point where the graph intersect the x-axis, that is our x-intercept. When the graph intersect the y-axis, then that is our y-intercept. So we'll draw our graph. Okay, this is now our x-intercept, and this is our y-intercept. Okay, that is how to graph this equation number 2. Okay, next. Okay, as you can see in the previous examples, all the equations are written in slope intercept form. Now the third is written in standard form. So don't worry if it is written in this way, because we are just setting the value of x and y to 0 to find for the x-intercept and y-intercept. Okay, to find for the y-intercept, we have again to set x to 0. So using the equation, we have there 3 times 0, because our x is 0, then minus 4y equals to 12. So the remaining is negative 4y equals to 12. Negative 12. Okay. So after that, we will apply the multiplication property of equality by finding the inverse of this. No? So the inverse of 4 is 1/4, negative 1/4, times negative 4y equals to negative 1/4 times negative 12. So this will be cancelled out. The remaining is y. And then this 1/4, negative 1/4 times negative 12, that is positive 3. So here in the y-intercept, our x coordinate is 0, then our y is 3. Okay, here, the x-intercept, we will set y to 0. Okay, by substitution, we have 3x minus 4 times 0 because our y is equal to 0, then equals to negative 12. Then the remaining is 3x equals to negative 12. Then applying the multiplication property of equality, we have 1/3 times 3x equals to 1/3 times negative 12. Cancel this out, the remaining is x. 1/3 times negative 12, that is negative 4. This is the value of your x. So your order pair is negative 4 for x, then 0 for y. So we'll plot this one, these 2 points. The first point is 0 and 3. So this one here. Then the second one is negative 4 and 0. So we will write the coordinate negative 4 and 0, and this one is our 0 and 3. Okay, we will draw now our graph. Okay, that's the graph of that equation. So this point is our x-intercept, and this point here is our y-intercept. Okay, next number. The next number is 2x plus 7y equals to 14. So first we have to find the y-intercept. To find for the y-intercept, we have to set x to 0. Set x to 0. So 2 times 0 plus 7y equals to 14. The remaining is 7y equals to 14. Applying the multiplication property of equality, this will become 1/7 times 7y equals to 1/7 times 14. So the remaining is only y, because we are cancelling it out. Then 1/7 times 14, that is 2. So our coordinate for this one is 0 and 2. Then for this one, for x-intercept, we will set x to 0. So y, we will set y to 0. Okay, 2x plus 7 times 0 equals to 14. What is left is 2x equals to 14. So applying the multiplication property of equality, this will become 1/2 times x equals to 1/2 times x times 14. So the result is this will be cancelled out. The remaining is x. And this one is 1/2 times 14, that is 7. Okay, so our coordinate now is 7 and 0. So we plot this one. When x is 0, 2 for y. When x is 7, 0 for y. So that this is our one. Okay, before that, I would like to write first the coordinate. 2, then this one is 7 and 0. Then our graph will be like that. Okay, so this is our x-intercept, and this is our y-intercept. Okay, last one. Okay, so here we have y equals to negative 2/3 x plus 4. So the same, we are going to find the y-intercept and x-intercept to graph this equation. So to find the y-intercept, you have to set x to 0. So we will set x to 0. So y is equals to negative 2/3 times 0 plus 4. So y is equals to 0 plus 4 y is equals to 4. So this is 0 for x, 4 for y. Okay, for x-intercept, we have we will set y to 0. Okay, using the same equation, this will become 0 equals to negative 2/3 x plus 4. Okay, applying the addition property of equality, this will become negative 2/3 x plus 4 plus the opposite of this is positive 2/3. 2/3. Here is 2/3 x. Okay, by simplification, we have 2/3 x equals to, this will be cancelled out, 4. Okay, after that, we will apply the multiplication property of equality in order to eliminate this one. Okay, what is the inverse for this? That is 3 halves times 2/3 x equals to 3 halves times 4. So this will be cancelled out. That is x equals 3 times 4 is 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So the value of our x is 6. So our coordinate now is 6 for x, 0 for y. Okay, we will plot this one. 0, when x is 0, y is 4. When x is 6, 0 for y, so this one. Okay, we will label each point with their point coordinate. Okay, we will plot the graph. Okay, that's the graph of that equation. And this is now our x-intercept, and this is our y-intercept. Okay, so in graphing linear equation using the x and y-intercept, you will do finding the y-intercept and x-intercept in the given equation. In finding for the y-intercept, you have to set x equals to 0, then find for y. And to find for the x-intercept, you set y to 0, then find the x. Then after that, you graph. And the point where your graph crosses with the x, that point is what we call the x-intercept. And the point where the y-axis intersect the graph, then that is your y-intercept. Okay, that's all for today, and thank you for viewing my video. Thank you, good day again, and God bless.